I'm here with Angie Sewell, Senior Vice President of IT for DeRoyal. Thanks for joining us, Angie.
Thank you so much for having me.
How have events such as the pandemic and supply chain issues impacted your business?
I think just like everyone else in the manufacturing world, we have three key elements that we're facing every day. The first would be labor shortages, labor talent acquisition and retention. The second would definitely be commodities. The changes in pricing that we've seen with commodities and the ability to obtain those commodities is very difficult. And then finally, freight. Whether it is plastics, oil used in the plastics manufacturing, or freight to get our products to and from where they need to be, those prices have really impacted us and how we do business.
Right, okay. How has moving to a more automated system with Oracle Fusion Cloud Demand Management helped you?
So a couple of ways. First of all, we had a very old system that was in place. We did not have a best practice model implemented, and so we really wanted to look long and hard at how to do a best practice model. In addition, we had a lot of bias, and with bias, you overreact, and so we were overreacting to that. So this gave us the opportunity to kind of take a step back and look at things very differently.
What have been some of the benefits? I've read somewhere that you have got the processes down to a few days.
Right. Gotten process down to a few days, and then in addition to that, we recently did an engine tuning process where we were able to increase our forecast accuracy by 5%. And so I look at that and I look back in time and I said, if we increase over just a few years to increase in 5%, I can't imagine what the increase in our overall accuracy, because we couldn't really even gauge that from the beginning.
So how has this involved more team members be involved in the process, especially sales and marketing? How have they been involved in the whole process?
Absolutely increase the amount of collaboration. In a lot of cases, we had disparate systems that were gathering this data, but they were never coming together and being used fully in our planning process. So now we have multiple inputs from our sales and marketing team, from our national accounts team, from our executive team, from our manufacturing team, to allow us to better meet the needs of our customers.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.